pretty much what you're filming right now is what the library used to be. And as we're scanning around and looking, now we're focusing in on the 500 and 400 corridors, and you can see how open everything here is in the building. We're even starting to construct, and I've already constructed some temporary walls for security reasons. Some of these walls will remain as part of the construction project, but you can see how open our building is. The corridor right now that you're looking at right over here, that's the entrance to where the Park Police used to sit in the 900 corridor. We've obviously relocated them, but that's where they are. And if we turn this way, almost 180 or so degrees, you can see that where that lift is right there, that's where the entrance of the boiler room and the gymnasium is. That just gives you an idea of how vast a size this building is. There's a lot of square footage here that we're working on. And we can kind of walk around and carefully walk around, and we can kind of show where the new entrance will be. Right now where we're walking, it's a little dark, but this used to be the 300 corridor that we're standing in right now. This was in a series of classrooms and restrooms and things of that nature. They have all been demolished as part of the renovation project. But if you look at this area right here where the wooden area that's boarded up, that area right in front of us right now is the area where the new entrance will be. So that's the new entrance of our building, and that's where everybody's going to channel through, and we're eventually going to be walking in. Where we're kind of focusing in on right now is going to be where the new Learning Resource Center is going to be. So that just gives you an idea and the perspective of how this building is